Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the control panel in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Pull the dryer away from the wall. Unthread the 5 screws to remove the bracket. Slide the lid and lift it off to remove from the dryer. Pull the knob off the dryer. This can be difficult. Unthread the 2 screws holding the control panel. Pry the 3 tabs, then pull back and lift up to free the control panel. Unplug the wire harness from the display PCB assembly. Next, unthread the 8 screws on the PCB assembly. Now lift and tilt the assembly to unhook it from the control panel. To install the new control panel, align the new knob cover and snap into place. Set and snap in the display PCB assembly. Then rethread the 8 screws to secure. Plug the wire harness back into the PCB assembly. Insert the control panel into its grooves and push forward to snap in place. Then rethread the 2 screws that hold it in place. Align the knob with the D shaft and press it on. Place the lid on the dryer and push forward to secure. Rethread the 5 screws to reinstall the bracket. Push the dryer back into place. Turn the power supply back on, and your dryer should be ready for use.